We got a new wheel in today. It's the CV10 in satin bronze. 10-spoke split design, custom color. It does not normally come with the CV10. These are going on Camaro, but before we actually install these, we're going to be coating these. Speed water, easier to clean, especially with these spokes. There's just so many openings and little cutouts. It's hard to clean, so hopefully with the coating, it should make that job a little bit easier. All right, so now it's the next day. We have all the wheels coated, so now we're gonna do a water beading test to make sure that it's beading water.
Look at all those beads.
Yeah, so it's beading for sure. Perfect little circles.
Come on, buddy. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
We're actually installing CV10 Vossens onto this Camaro here.
I'll change a wheel.
Stop it! Ow! Dude, that looks nice. Super easy way to make your black car look a little bit sportier is just to put on bronze wheels. Safe color combo that you can't go wrong with. Especially if you go with like a satin or matte bronze, it just looks really mean like this. 20-inch stagger front and rear. We also tighten these down with Vossen lug nuts and wheel locks. Oh, I didn't even notice this, but if you look in the sunlight, there's some metallic flakes in the satin bronze finish. Really love the concavity of the rear wheels, just super deep, which is really nice. The side profile to show you guys how flush it is in the front as well as in the rear.